Witness the sixth Starship flight test launch as it redefines the boundaries of possibility and sparks an extraordinary leap toward humanity's interstellar future. From the fiery ignition at Starbase to the stunning ascent into the cosmos, this test is a phenomenal showcase of innovation and ambition. At T-10 seconds, the engines roar to life, bathing Starbase in a dazzling blaze of light as the countdown reaches 0.
We're now T-20 seconds until liftoff of Starship Flight 6. This will mark our second attempt to catch the Super Heavy booster at the launch tower, as well as
9, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Booster Raptor, shimmer pressure nominal.
Starship accelerates through its initial climb, leaving a plume of fiery exhaust and a trail of humanity streams in the sky. Look at that magnificent descent. Starship, the heaviest and most ambitious spacecraft ever built, pushes against gravity with a roll.
Alright, we're just a little over a minute into flight.
Dynamic pressure.
We're about 6 miles away, so all the sound's still hitting us here. Hearing good call-outs that power telemetry nominal, that's flying straight and true. We do see all 33 Raptor engines lit up on telemetry screens. At this point, we've passed through that point of maximum aerodynamic pressure, that max Q. Now, coming up in just a little over a minute from now is going to be hot staging. So we're going to see the 6 engines on the ship ignite while still attached to the booster. Just before that, we'll see all but 3 center engines on the booster shut down. In what we call MECO, it's most engines cut off instead of main engine. And so while we continue to watch it go up, a lot of our flight controllers looking at all the systems around the tower. Again, we have to send a manual command. Just about 30 seconds away from hot staging.
Raptor engines maintain perfect synchronization, creating a symphony of raw power as Starship pierces the thick atmosphere. Every Raptor engine is perfectly in tune, working in harmony to defy Earth's gravitational pull.
And we heard the tower is go for catch.
Booster engine cut off.
The return flag is set for true.
Ship engine start up. Stage separation.
All right, hot staging confirmed. 6 out of 6 lit on the ship. Booster boost back going. We heard that we are go for catch.
The Super Heavy booster detaches cleanly, leaving Starship to continue its journey on its upper stage. Stage separation is complete. The Super Heavy booster falls away gracefully as Starship soars higher.
Ship
Boost
jammer
back
pressure
burn.
nominal.
Good news there, telling us that the pressures inside the ship are good. That is the second stage, or the upper portion of the vehicle. Follow along with the telemetry on the bottom of your screen.
Yeah, booster is currently, Super Heavy is currently in its boost back burn. This boost back burn,
Economics power telemetry nominal.
this boost back burn lasts just a little bit over a minute, so we've got approximately 30 seconds left.
We've had shutdown of that boost back burn. Up next will be hot stage jettison.
Starship takes control of its journey to orbit. The booster begins its descent back to Earth. And there it is, stage separation achieved with stunning precision. Starship now embarks on its solar voyage, while the Super Heavy prepares for its controlled descent. Engineering excellence at its finest.
Screen, which is great. Now the next
Starship is following a nominal trajectory.
The next step for booster is going into that landing burn. Again, it'll light up 13 of those engines and then pare down to 3 engines right before booster catch.
All right, now just real quick, we did hear the call out, booster offshore divert. Unfortunately, that means that we are no-go for the catch. As we said before, both the tower and the vehicle, as well as the operators on console, have been actively evaluating the commit criteria for that return to the launch tower. And unfortunately, we did not have a pass on those commit criteria. So we are no-go for tower catch.
And we did mention that we're constantly evaluating the criteria for catch. There's a lot of things that need to go well in order to line that up. Unfortunately, today we will forego booster catch today. But what you're seeing on your screen is ship currently making its way towards the Indian Ocean. Still looking good so far.
The booster's job is done and Starship shines in its solo flight. Textbook stage separation as the booster makes its graceful exit. What a sight.
Not guaranteed that we would be able to make a tower catch today. So while we were hoping for it, like we said, it was pretty epic on attempt 1, but the safety of the teams and the public and the pad itself are paramount. So we are accepting no compromises in any of those areas.
Exactly, and we're still going to get a lot of good flight data with booster even, but especially with ship. Again, we have an additional objective today to do an in-space relight of a Raptor engine, which again will help us set us up for being able to do deorbit burns, which is...
Ship chamber pressures are nominal.
Cameras aboard Starship deliver breathtaking live views of Earth as it ascends. And there it is, Earth from above. The ultimate perspective on the home we aim to leave behind for a while.
Offshore landing of the Super Heavy booster. So we have seen this before, and it is still very fun to watch, watching it come down for a soft splashdown off the Gulf Coast of Texas. We can see it there re-entering. We saw earlier those grid fins. There are 4 hypersonic grid fins. Oh, we can see that the landing burn has begun on the Super Heavy booster.
Same pattern, 13 engines will light, gone down to 3 just as we expected. And what an incredible view of splashdown that we got today of Super Heavy.
Yeah.
Precision landing achieved, Super Heavy splashdown wraps up its vital mission phase. The booster meets the water gently, showcasing the precision of SpaceX engineering.
For making that milestone as well. Now, ship continues to look good. We can see that it is, while all of that was happening, the crowd here in Hawthorne continuing to react to all these amazing views that we're getting. The next milestone is...
Starship is in terminal guidance.
Great news there. Starship terminal guidance, referring to what we see here on our screen, the upper stage, at about 8 minutes 35 seconds or so, we have ship engine cutoff, which will be the cutoff of the Raptor engines. We can see on our screen ship giving us some incredible views brought to us by Starlink. This view is also very interesting because we can see basically the receding tile line that we referred to earlier, where we mentioned we have removed a number of heat shield tiles in order to test out and push the envelope on the ship and demonstrate what its capabilities are.
Ship engine cutoff.
Starship engine cutoff, final burn complete as the spacecraft reaches planned trajectory. Engines have been deactivated, with Starship now gliding on course, an impressive maneuver.
On ship here.
Ship FTS is saved. Nominal orbit insertion.
There's that call out we were waiting for. Confirmation of good orbital insertion for ship today.
It has been a very exciting afternoon so far. We'd like to send it back over to Dan, who can give us that live view experience. Dan, once again, are you okay after witnessing another Starship launch?
Yeah, totally fine. You guys have to be jealous. This is the only way to do this. This is fantastic. No, it was really cool to see it lift off. 33 out of 33. Didn't go for the booster catch today. Initially, we were good, and then we tripped a commit criteria and did the offshore divert. So we went and did that water landing, as everybody saw. We'll dig into it a little bit more, but again, we've done it once, we've now done it twice. We're going to keep trying to do it, as this is just a core capability of Starship and what's going to make it so incredible. There's a lot left. We're just about almost 10 minutes into this flight, so about 50 plus minutes still to go. Ship, nominal orbit, so it's on its way around the planet. It's going to attempt to do an in-space burn. We're going to light one of those Raptor engines, the sea level ones in the middle, just to help demonstrate that we can relight in that microgravity environment. Really critical for deorbit burns as we start to do some orbital missions in the not too distant future. And then following that, we'll see a ship entry, maybe a splashdown. As you guys said, we're really going to be pushing ship on this one.
Starship's journey continues. Re-entry and a smooth water landing are coming up. Starship will enter the atmosphere, transitioning toward its final splashdown.
Got more capability for when we start catching them. But I'll check back in with everybody in a little bit. I'm going to tune in and watch the ship fly around planet Earth, and hopefully we see it re-entering in the not too distant future. Back over to you guys.
Thanks, Dan. Development testing, by definition, is unpredictable, which we saw with super heavy splashing down in the Gulf of Mexico today, but that is exactly why we test. As is standard for these tests, the area around the pad and along the flight path was cleared prior to launch, and we expect the road and beach to remain closed until further notice.
Yeah, testing development flight hardware in a flight environment is what enables our teams to quickly learn and execute design changes and hardware upgrades to improve the probability of success in the future. Please do not attempt to approach the booster in the water for your safety as well as for that of our team that will be working on recovery. Now, we are going to continue though. The mission is not done.
Exactly. The mission's not over. Ship is still coasting, but it has been nonstop since liftoff, and with the booster having completed its job for the day, we are going to take a short break for the next 35 minutes or so while ship continues to coast before re-entry. Now, as with previous flights, Starlink may enable us to talk to the ship through re-entry with no communication blackout. Now, we are still testing Starlink during this phase of flight, so nothing is completely certain.
Yeah, so if we do have views, we will be sure to bring those to you live. And of course, one of those views include that of our, as we said before, surprise payload, the Banana. And we are looking forward to it. So we're going to come back in a few minutes, around T plus 35 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. Views or no views, we'll see you back here at T plus 40 minutes for our coverage of Starship's re-entry, flip maneuver, landing burn, and hopefully see a splashdown.
Prepare to be blown away by an unbelievable voyage into the cosmos. SpaceX's sixth Starship flight is more than just a test, it's the beginning of a remarkable leap into the future of space exploration. This spectacular mission is poised to unlock the mysteries of our solar system and far beyond, taking us closer to the elusive secrets of exoplanets, breathtaking nebulae, and the extraordinary possibility of finding alien life. From Mars to distant stars, Starship's voyage is paving the way for impressive human exploration and incredible discoveries. Tethys' icy surface is marked by craters and cracks, each a story from billions of years past. The ancient scars on Tethys reveal its turbulent history, showcasing a moon shaped by cosmic collisions and tidal forces. Mimas, with its massive crater, eerily resembles a sci-fi icon in Saturn's orbit. This icy moon, with its defining Herschel crater, has earned the nickname Death Star for its uncanny resemblance to the fictional space station. Orbiting close to Saturn, Mimas plays a critical role in shaping its majestic ring system. Gravitational forces from Mimas create gaps and waves in Saturn's rings, a silent sculptor of the planet's stunning beauty. Beneath the glow of Saturn's rings, Enceladus and Mimas showcase the icy extremes of the outer solar system. Enceladus glimmers with its active geysers, while Mimas reveals a frozen, cratered world, both illuminated by the light of Saturn's rings. Enceladus reflects sunlight like a mirror, its icy surface the brightest in the solar system. This moon's reflective brilliance reveals a frozen world sculpted by active geology and the influence of Saturn's immense gravity. Enceladus captivates with its icy beauty and tantalizing promise of discovery, standing as a testament to the wonders of our solar system. As Titan orbits Saturn, its dense atmosphere and icy surface continue to intrigue scientists. Titan's rotation and orbit offer a constant reminder of its dynamic nature and its potential as a world of discovery. Titan is the only moon in the solar system with a substantial atmosphere, resembling a young Earth. This remarkable moon offers scientists a glimpse into atmospheric processes that could mirror early Earth's evolution. As Saturn's largest moon, Titan holds the key to understanding the giant planet's complex system. Orbiting its parent planet, Titan reveals clues about Saturn's gravity, magnetic field, and the origins of its moons. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, is one of the most intriguing moons in our solar system. Shrouded in a dense orange haze, Titan hides a world of rivers, lakes, and dunes shaped by liquid methane and ethane. With its organic chemistry and liquid reservoirs, Titan is a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Titan's thick atmosphere and hydrocarbon-rich surface create conditions that could harbor the building blocks of life, inspiring future exploration. Experience a breathtaking journey over Kraken Mare and Lagia Mare, Titan's largest seas, filled with methane and ethane. This flyover showcases Titan's vast alien seas, where liquid hydrocarbons stretch for hundreds of miles under a dense orange sky. Suspended in the endless night of space, Saturn fills the sky, a surreal companion to Titan's rugged surface. Rhea, Iapetus, and Titan drift gracefully in their orbits, their unique features glowing under Saturn's ethereal light. Epimetheus and Rhea circle Saturn, guardians of a realm filled with light and shadow. Their steady motion and Saturn's rings create a spectacle of unity in the cosmos. The surface of Rhea stands as a testament to the Moon's ancient history, shaped by billions of years of cosmic collisions. Its icy crust conceals secrets of Saturn's distant past and the evolution of the Moon itself. From the vast expanse of deep space, Saturn's iconic rings appear as delicate, shimmering bands that encircle the gas giant. These rings, made of ice and rock, stretch out into the cosmos, creating one of the most breathtaking sights in the solar system. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, remained undetected for thousands of years, blending in with the stars. Its faint presence in the night sky kept it hidden from astronomers until its discovery in 1781. Uranus, shrouded in mystery for millennia, was almost invisible to ancient sky watchers. Only in 1781 did the planet reveal itself to the world. Its faint glow in the night sky made it easy to overlook, but once seen, it sparked the curiosity of astronomers, igniting a fascination that continues to this day. Named after Shakespearean characters, Oberon, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Miranda orbit Uranus in a poetic display. Their combined orbits form a mesmerizing cosmic symphony. Miranda, Uranus's smallest major moon, defies expectations. Its surface, a patchwork of dramatic cliffs and mysterious grooves, tells the story of violent upheavals and the relentless forces of gravity. Uranus's rings, a cosmic mystery. The rings of Uranus, thin and dark, stand out against the faint glow of distant sunlight. Unlike the bright rings of Saturn, Uranus's rings are enigmatic, composed of rocky debris and hidden in shadows. Orbiting in near invisibility, the rings of Uranus weave a tale of subtle beauty. Their dark, slender arcs defy the brilliance of Saturn's rings, hinting at origins still shrouded in cosmic mystery. The disappearing act, Uranus's magic rings. The rings of Uranus seem to play hide and seek, appearing faintly in certain lights and vanishing in others. This celestial trickery is caused by their dark material and unique orientation. Like a magician's disappearing act, the rings of Uranus fade into the shadows, only to reappear under the right light. Their elusive beauty is a cosmic performance, blending science with mystery. Neptune, the final planet in Holst's suite and in our solar system, is a world of extremes. Its icy winds surpass 900 miles per hour, while its great dark spots hint at fierce and mysterious storms. Neptune, the mystic giant, challenges imagination with icy gales 5 times stronger than a Category 5 hurricane. Its atmosphere roars with storms, where great dark spots swirl in a cosmic tempest beyond comprehension. Named for the Roman god of the sea, Neptune's swirling storms and deep blues evoke the oceans of Earth. It's a fitting finale to Holst's musical journey through the planets, with a haunting fadeaway as its celestial curtain call. Neptune, the Roman god of the sea, finds its namesake in the celestial deep. Its stormy blues and haunting fadeaway echo Holst's vision of a world both powerful and mystically serene, the perfect ending to a planetary odyssey. 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth, Neptune marks the fading edge of the Sun's influence. Beyond it lies the vast unknown, where the Sun becomes just another star in a sky filled with infinite possibilities. At the edge of the Sun's reach, Neptune beckons us toward the mysteries beyond. It stands as a sentinel of the outer solar system, its icy winds and distant orbit a gateway to the uncharted seas of interstellar space. Neptune's south pole is a region of astonishing activity, where temperatures rise unexpectedly in the planet's icy atmosphere. This area defies expectations, revealing mysteries about the coldest planet in our solar system. At Neptune's south pole, the icy stillness is broken by an enigmatic warmth. Here, temperatures climb in defiance of the planet's frigid reputation, offering a glimpse into the complexities of its dynamic atmosphere. Triton, the largest moon of Neptune, orbits in reverse, a rare and mysterious motion. Its icy surface hides active geysers that spew nitrogen gas into space, a phenomenon unique in the solar system. Triton defies convention with its retrograde orbit, moving against Neptune's rotation. Beneath its icy surface, nitrogen geysers erupt, painting a portrait of an alien world brimming with enigmatic activity. The Great Dark Spot, a tempest the size of Earth, rages across Neptune's atmosphere. With winds exceeding 1,200 miles per hour, it's a cosmic storm that defies imagination, disappearing and reappearing like a phantom. Neptune's cloud tops are ever-changing, with bright methane ice clouds streaking across its deep blue atmosphere. These clouds form high above the planet, racing through the frigid winds. Neptune's clouds are a dynamic spectacle, where methane ice crystals form brilliant streaks against its azure backdrop. High-altitude winds send these icy formations racing at speeds that defy the imagination. Neptune, the ocean god's celestial realm named for the Roman god of the sea, Neptune's swirling storms and deep blues evoke the oceans of Earth. It's a fitting finale to Holst's musical journey through the planets, with a haunting fadeaway as its celestial curtain call. Discovered in 1846, Neptune remains the newest planet in our solar system. At 30 times the Earth-Sun distance, it takes 165 years to complete a single orbit, a journey Neptune has only recently finished since its discovery. Neptune's vast journey around the Sun reflects the immense scale of our solar system. Its slow, elegant orbit reminds us of the patience and power of the cosmos, a planet revealed to us only in the last 2 centuries. "30 times farther from the Sun than Earth, Neptune marks the fading edge of the Sun's influence. Beyond it lies the vast unknown, where the Sun becomes just another star in a sky filled with infinite possibilities. At the edge of the Sun's reach, Neptune beckons us toward the mysteries beyond. It stands as a sentinel of the outer solar system, its icy winds and distant orbit a gateway to the uncharted seas of interstellar space." "2004 EW95 shines like a black diamond in the Kuiper belt. Its carbon-rich surface stands out in a sea of ice, offering scientists a tantalizing clue to the solar system's chaotic and dynamic infancy. A flyby of 2004 EW95 reveals its enigmatic nature, a carbon-rich asteroid exiled to the Kuiper belt. This ancient wanderer holds clues to the dynamic forces that shaped the outer solar system billions of years ago. Each asteroid in the belt is a time capsule, a fragment from the dawn of the solar system. As you navigate this celestial maze, witness the echoes of creation etched into these ancient rocks, drifting in the eternal void. The asteroid belt, a forgotten frontier, holds the shattered remains of planetary ambitions. Here, giant asteroids like Ceres and Vesta coexist with fragments too small to see, offering a haunting vision of a turbulent cosmic history. Stretching across the void between Mars and Jupiter, the asteroid belt marks a cosmic divide. Here, ancient fragments of rock drift silently, holding the secrets of a solar system in its infancy. Hygeia orbits quietly in the asteroid belt, a region teeming with rocky remnants of the solar system's formation. Recent discoveries unveil its potential reclassification as a dwarf planet, making it a fascinating addition to our celestial family. Explore the dramatic impact that altered the trajectory of Hygeia, the asteroid that eventually formed a round shape. This event not only fragmented the asteroid but also set in motion the reassembly that resulted in the formation of Hygeia's current, near-spherical appearance. Jupiter, with its massive size and legendary Great Red Spot, plays a central role in the quest for extraterrestrial life. Its moon Europa, believed to harbor liquid ocean beneath its surface, is one of the top candidates for finding life beyond Earth. The innermost of Jupiter's Galilean moons, is a scientific marvel. Its volcanic activity provides insights into tidal heating, while its vibrant colors and dynamic surface make it a standout in the solar system. Europa's icy surface conceals a secret, a vast, liquid ocean. As tidal forces from Jupiter churn its interior, this alien world beckons us to explore its potential for harboring life beneath the frozen shell. Beneath Ganymede's thick, icy crust lies a vast subsurface ocean, potentially containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Callisto, the second largest moon of Jupiter, is one of the oldest and most cratered objects in the solar system. The Great Red Spot is a colossal storm that has raged on Jupiter for centuries. Stretching over 16,000 kilometers, it's larger than Earth and a striking symbol of the planet's turbulent atmosphere. The Great Red Spot is a storm of superlatives, vast, ancient, and unrelenting. Its swirling bands of crimson and orange are a testament to Jupiter's raw power, a phenomenon unmatched in the solar system. Jupiter's ring system is almost invisible, made of fine particles scattered by meteoroid impacts on its moons. Jupiter's main ring is an enigmatic structure that remains a mystery to many. Formed from faint dust particles, this delicate band orbits the gas giant far from its dense and colorful atmosphere. Io's lava fountains are unlike anything seen on Earth. The sheer scale and frequency of these eruptions reveal a moon in constant transformation. Ganymede's terrain is a breathtaking mosaic of icy expanses and rugged craters. Each ridge and valley tells a story of ancient impacts and internal forces, frozen in time on this colossal moon. Jupiter is the most massive planet in our solar system, outweighing all the others combined. Its Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has raged for centuries, making it a focal point of scientific fascination. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, exerts its dominance with unmatched mass and power. Its Great Red Spot, a swirling storm for centuries, reminds us of the planet's incredible dynamism and scale. While Jupiter's storms rage on, its moon Europa whispers of life. Beneath its icy shell lies a vast ocean, a refuge that may hold the keys to one of humanity's greatest questions: are we alone? Jupiter's magnetosphere is the largest structure in the solar system, stretching millions of kilometers into space. This immense magnetic field shields the planet and its moons while capturing particles from the Sun, creating dazzling auroras at its poles. Jupiter's magnetosphere is a colossal force of nature, enveloping the planet in the shield of magnetic energy. Spanning millions of kilometers, it's a silent guardian and the creator of mesmerizing auroras that light up the giant's poles. Jupiter has inspired scientists and composers alike, from its immense storms to its captivating moons. Holsts, the bringer of jollity, mirrors the joy of discovering new worlds around this majestic planet. Jupiter's grandeur extends beyond its size and storms. It inspires wonder and exploration, echoing Holst's jubilant composition, as its moons like Europa hold the promise of extraordinary discoveries. The Great Red Spot is Jupiter's most iconic feature, a colossal storm that has been churning for over 150 years. Its swirling gases offer insights into the dynamics of the largest planet in the solar system. The Great Red Spot is more than a storm, it's a cosmic phenomenon. Bigger than Earth, this maelstrom has endured for centuries, revealing the turbulent beauty of the solar system's largest planet. Though Jupiter itself may be inhospitable, its moon Europa opens a window of possibility. Beneath its icy shield lies a world of water, where the search for life takes a hopeful turn in the shadow of the gas giant. Mars, the bringer of war, stirs the imagination with its towering volcanoes and craters etched by cosmic impacts. From myth to modern exploration, this hostile world unveils secrets of a wetter, Earth-like past, a world once brimming with potential. Mojave Crater, one of Mars' most striking impact sites, spans nearly 60 kilometers and is adorned with intricate patterns of ejecta. Its unique features hint at the presence of water in Mars' ancient past. With the red planet stretching endlessly behind it, the rover's self-portrait connects two worlds. This single frame captures the cutting-edge technology that made interplanetary exploration possible and the endless curiosity that drives it forward. This breathtaking mosaic captures the midnight sun on Mars, revealing the planet's serene beauty as sunlight grazes the horizon. The image provides a rare glimpse of the Martian landscape bathed in otherworldly light. From the symmetrical ridges of linear dunes to the icy patterns of polar dunes, Mars offers a diverse landscape shaped by wind and time. The colossal Hellas Basin and the steep cliffs of Victoria Crater reveal the scars and stories of the red planet's tumultuous history. Mars is a planet of contrasts, where the shifting sands of linear dunes meet the icy beauty of polar formations. Hellas Basin, a colossal scar, and Victoria Crater, a steep-walled mystery, invite us to explore the forces that shape this alien world. From the Viking landers of the 1970s to the groundbreaking Curiosity rover, humanity's exploration of Mars has evolved dramatically. Each mission, Viking 1 and 2, Pathfinder, Spirit, and MRO, has contributed to unraveling the red planet's mysteries. Orbiters like Odyssey and Maven monitor Mars from above, while Deimos, Phobos, and India's Mom mission offer unique perspectives on its environment. Mars exploration is a story of persistence and innovation. The Viking landers provided our first close-up look, Pathfinder blazed a trail, and Spirit and Curiosity roamed the surface, uncovering the planet's ancient secrets. Above the surface, orbiters like MRO and Maven keep a vigilant watch, while missions to Mars moons Deimos and Phobos expand our understanding of its surroundings. Each mission builds on the last, forging a path for humanity's future on Mars. The solar wind, an unyielding force from the Sun, has reshaped Mars. Without a protective magnetic field, the red planet's atmosphere has been stripped away, leaving behind a stark reminder of cosmic power. Mars, once a planet with rivers and lakes, faced an invisible thief, the solar wind. Over billions of years, charged particles from the Sun stripped its atmosphere, transforming a vibrant world into a desolate landscape. Mars has been a focal point for exploration, with missions revealing its rocky terrain, frozen water, and a past that may have once supported life. Each mission uncovers new chapters in the story of the red planet. From its ancient riverbeds to icy poles, Mars tells a tale of transformation. Each mission, past and future, brings us closer to understanding the secrets of this enigmatic world. Mars has been a focal point for exploration, with missions revealing its rocky terrain, frozen water, and a past that may have once supported life. Each mission uncovers new chapters in the story of the red planet. From its ancient riverbeds to icy poles, Mars tells a tale of transformation. Each mission, past and future, brings us closer to understanding the secrets of this enigmatic world. Is Mars a dead planet, or does it still harbor signs of life? Exploration has focused on searching for microbial life and uncovering evidence of water in the red planet's distant past. Mars, the red planet, holds tantalizing clues to its watery history. Could it also hold the building blocks of life? Each mission brings us closer to answering this timeless question. Mars missions are paving the way for human exploration. NASA and private companies are working to solve challenges like radiation, food production, and landing on the red planet. Landing humans on Mars is no small task. With each robotic mission, we take one step closer to turning this ambitious dream into a reality.